Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today is going to be a throwback spring decorate with me. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video and enjoy the music. So welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today's video is going to be a good one, you guys. I am going to be repainting my foyer entryway table because y'all know we sold all of our furniture in the house, majority of it, and so I am just kind of piecing together some things for budget purposes. But I do have a dresser here that I am going to be repainting. It's been repainted like 100 times, but I am going to repainting, and that is the magic of paint, you guys, is that you can change something and give it a completely, totally different look with just paint. And it's such an easy and affordable upgrade, and I am super excited about it. I am going to be painting it a nice warm neutral. No surprise there, no shocker. But a nice warm neutral, and then we are going to get into it and redecorate this piece for the spring season. So let's go ahead and get on into this video. So you guys, this is the dresser that I am going to be painting. I thrifted it a few years ago. I think I paid like 26 bucks or something like that for it. And it's been painted. It was a natural wood finish, as you can see here, it was. And I thought about stripping it, but that's just too much work, and I'm not about that life right now. So we're gonna go ahead and paint it. It was a blue, it was black, it was brown, it was white, y'all. It was everything. So we're gonna take off the hardware, and these hardware are also going to be getting an update. We're going to be painting them an antique gold finish, and yeah, we're going to transform this piece and see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get the painting. I am so excited, you guys. Okay fams, so today's video I am partnering up with my girl Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me Decorating on a Budget, and it's our annual spring fireplace decor challenge. I will definitely make sure that I have the link down below for the playlist where you can go ahead and add your video if you are taking part in this challenge. And also I will have linked down in the description box Stephanie's channel as well, where you can go ahead and watch her video. You can decorate a fireplace mantle, your console table, bookshelf, whatever surface that you have that you would like to decorate for the spring season. So be sure to go ahead, check out the entire playlist and Stephanie's channel as well. And if you are coming over from Stephanie's channel or any of the other ladies' channel, thank you so much for joining me today, and we are super duper excited about this challenge, and I'm looking forward to watching this playlist and getting some inspiration and seeing what a lot of you have come up with. So thank you guys for joining us and for playing a part. So this is just the first coat, and it is going on so nicely. I didn't sand or anything like that because I hate sanding, but it went on really nicely. It took to the furniture. This paint is it's actually a cabinet paint. It's made specifically for kitchen cabinets and countertops and things like that. So I just wanted to show you these eggs, you guys, that I bought from TJ Maxx. I've been looking for these wooden eggs for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I'm going to be using it in my video today. And I just kind of skipped through the painting because I didn't want to bore you guys with all of the painting. So I am just now adding paint to the hardware because I couldn't find my antique gold rub and buff paint. So I just went ahead and painted the same color as the cabinet, and it looks really nice. I think it actually turned out really well. And I am just so excited about the way that this turned out, you guys. I had like a vision in my head of what I wanted it to look like, and it exceeded my expectations. So this just goes to show that if you have an old piece of furniture, that you can give it new life with just some paint and, you know, just a little bit of TLC, a little bit of work, you know, a little bit of sweat equity, and it can turn out to be something absolutely stunning. So I am super excited about this. And of course, I'm dancing because I get happy when my project is turning out the way that I envisioned it. It just makes me so excited. Plus, I love to dance. Dancing is one of my favorite things to do. I dance all the time. So, hope you guys are enjoying this dancing. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into this decorating, you guys. So I have this mirror, and it's been bouncing around from room to room and, you know, upstairs, downstairs, and I just decided that I am going to put it here in my entryway because I love the height of it and it fits this console table so nicely. I am also adding some greenery and some lamp. Now, I only purchased a couple of things, you guys, for spring. I haven't really purchased anything just yet, but I love the way this greenery turned out. But you are going to see by the end of the video, I am going to be changing it because it is beautiful and it looks really beautiful, but I just wanted to kind of lighten up the space a little bit. So you're going to see at the end of the video how I have changed it. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way to the end of the video so you can see what it looks like. But I am just going ahead and doing my layering because y'all know I love to layer my decor pieces, and I'm just adding mirrors because I feel like with mirrors, especially in tight spaces, it kind of bounced the light around the room. So I just love the way that this antique mirror is paired up with this more modern mirror, and it just looks so fabulous.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
So you guys are gonna get to see my decorating process, the way that I process everything, and throughout the video you actually see what's going on in my brain. I'm trying to figure out whether to put this there or put that there, or put, you know, and just, I don't want to overwhelm the space because the console table is not that wide, so I don't want to overwhelm the space with too many pieces of decor, but I definitely wanted to get some more wood tone to kind of warm up the space a little bit more. So I just decided that instead of going with 2 bunnies, I'm just going to go with the 1, and it kind of tie in that wood tone from the wooden eggs as well. And this is the way that it turned out, you guys. I just love, I mean, I am in love, obsessed with this space right here, and I can't wait to finish off my entire foyer, and that is definitely coming soon. But I just love the way that it looks. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. It's light, it's bright, it's airy, it's warm, it's cozy, it's springy, and here I am adding my candle because that was a part of the rules for the video, that it was a twist in the video for you to add a candle. So I am there adding my candle, and I normally don't light candles in my home because of my daughter, but this candle, you guys, it smells up the entire foyer because it is so potent. And I just love the way that it smells. It smells like raspberries and jasmine. It just, oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. So this is the way that it turned out, and definitely stay tuned so you can see the change that I am going to make. Again, my design process. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, myself and Stephanie and all the other wonderful women that is going to be taking part of this in this challenge. Be sure to visit the links down below. Check out Stephanie's channel. You will not be disappointed. The girl is amazing when it comes to decorating and cooking and cleaning and tablescapes. Y'all do not want to miss her stuff. And also check out the playlist down below of all the wonderful women that is taking part and creating their beautiful spaces for spring. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
I did a lot of